The question says, if y is less than 0, which of the following is equivalent to the square root of negative y times the absolute value of y? Let's always keep in mind what is the theory we need to apply in order to solve this expression in the question. For one part, we have the definition of absolute value, which is a dual definition. The absolute value, when the expression within is positive, is the same expression. But when the expression is negative, then the absolute value is the inverse additive, or the expression multiplied by -1. Another important piece of theory is the square root of the square of any algebraic expression is always equivalent to the absolute value of that expression. Considering these two pieces of theory, let's attack our expression. We have the square root of -y multiplied by the absolute value of y. Let's apply the definition because we know what is the sign of expression y. Y is negative. So according to the definition of the absolute value, this is what applies when you have a negative number, the second definition. So the absolute value of y must be simply -y. And thus, we can continue. The radicand then would be the product of these two expressions. You would have the square root of y squared. But the square root of a square is always the absolute value of the expression. So we can say this is the absolute value of y. But again, applying the definition of the absolute value, we're still in this case. The absolute value of a negative number is always the inverse additive of the number, or the number multiplied by -1. Thus, the correct answer choice is option